In this video, I am going to discuss about forecasting limitations. Let's talk about the limitations for time series analysis. Based on assumptions. As we know, time series analysis is based on few assumptions. There is an assumption that a straight line trend exists. Another assumption is that what has happened in the past is reliable guide to the future. And there is another assumption that seasonal variations are constant, either in actual values using the additive model or a proportion of the trend line value using the multiplicative model. These are limitations for the time series analysis. Another limitation is that non-stationary. Time series can be influenced by external factors such as trend, seasonality and level shifts, making it difficult to model and forecast accurately. Model selection. Selecting the right model to fit a time series is crucial but can be challenging, as there are many models to choose from, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Outliers and anomalies. Outliers and anomalies can have a significant impact on time series analysis and forecasting, but detecting and dealing with them can be difficult. Limited historical data. Forecasting accuracy can be affected if there is limited historical data available for analysis. Unpredictable events. Unpredictable events such as natural disasters, economic downturns, or pandemics can have a significant impact on time series, making forecasting difficult. Overfitting. Overfitting occurs when a model fits the data too closely, making it less robust to new data and reducing its forecasting accuracy. Multiple seasonalities. Some time series have multiple seasonal patterns that can be difficult to model and forecast accurately. Noisy data. Time series data can be noisy and contain errors. Now let's talk about the limitations for linear regression analysis. Linearity assumption. Linear regression assumes a linear relationship between independent and dependent variables, which may not always hold in real-world data. Extrapolation will be unreliable, since the linear regression analysis forecasting within the given range. Extrapolation data will be unreliable. Only the interpolation data will be reliable to use based on the given assumptions. Forecast data should be adjusted to inflation. Since the past data is not representing the current or the future inflation rates, the forecast values should be adjusted to the inflation. Outliers. Outliers can have a significant impact on linear regression models, distorting the results and reducing forecasting accuracy. Reliability will depend on the correlation between the variables. As now we know, the correlation between the independent and dependent variable plays a major role when it comes to linear regression analysis. This will be a limitation. Multicollinearity. Multicollinearity refers to the situation where two or more independent variables are highly correlated with each other, making it difficult to determine the unique contribution of each variable. This can lead to unstable model estimates and reduced forecasting accuracy. Non-stationarity. Linear regression assumes that the underlying data is stationary, meaning that the statistical properties of the data do not change over time. This assumption may not hold for time series data, leading to inaccurate forecasts. Limited flexibility. Linear regression models have limited flexibility, meaning that they may not be able to capture complex nonlinear relationships between variables. Overfitting. Overfitting occurs when a model fits the data too closely, reducing its ability to generalize to new data and leading to lower forecasting accuracy. Limited interactions. Linear regression models are limited in their ability to capture interactions between variables, meaning that the model may not be able to capture the combined effect of multiple variables. Misspecification. Linear regression models can be sensitive to incorrect specifications, such as omitted variables or incorrect functional form. This can lead to biased results and reduced forecasting accuracy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.